here again with a high bun tutorial video using weave, and these are the products I use: Eco Styler gel, a spray bottle, bobby pins, scrunchies, right tail comb, not a right tail comb, a brush and a toothbrush for my edges. So this is my hair. I already had it in a bun before, so I'm just putting that bun back up. That's my daughter. She likes to be in my videos. But anyway, so I'm gonna brush my hair back up into the ponytail using my favorite Eco Styler. It's the olive oil one, and I have I forgot how many gallons that is, but it's the second biggest one. But it's pretty big. It should last me a minute. So yeah, I just brush my hair back up into a ponytail. I like Eco Styler gel because they have it hard but not too hard. That's why I use the spray bottle, because it softens it up a bit. The spray bottle has water, conditioner, and just some Jamaican Black Castor oil in there to help with my edges. As you can see, they're thin on, what is that, my right side. But yeah, so I'm going to put the scrunchie in, and we're going to make sure it's gelled up pretty good. I'm going to put some more gel around the perimeter and the outside, the back, and just make sure it's molded pretty good. So then I'm going to twist it, and then I'm going to put it in a ball and put a scrunchie on. I'm going to twist it around 3 times, I think, twice. And I'm going to keep trying to mold it up, make sure it's good. I don't want any flyaways. My hair is pretty curly, so it's easy to get flyaways. Usually I use Gorilla Snot or Got to Be Glue, the yellow one or the black one, whatever, to mold my hair up. It have your hair pretty hard. You don't even have to take it down the next day or remold it. But I have it kind of too hard and dry, so I kind of like using the olive oil, the Eco Styler, because it has the olive oil in it, and it just feels better. Because like I said, it's not too hard. And my daughter's watching TV, but she still want to mind what I'm doing anyway, so don't mind her. But yeah, I'm just laying my baby hairs with the toothbrush. I could not find my edge brush. I have 2 edge brushes from the beauty supply store, but I couldn't find them. And I wanted to hurry up and put my hair up. So yeah, that's the side if you saw that it's thinning on. So I use Jamaican Black Castor oil over there, and the Jamaican Black Castor oil edge treatment from Shea Moisture. So yeah, you just get the ponytail, you wrap it around, a piece of it around, all the way around your head, and bobby pin it, and then you just start to wrap it around. I know that went kind of quick, but it's really simple. I wear this bun all the time. This hair is from the beauty supply store. It's like the Freetress Water Wave hair. I think it's about $14. I think this is about 12 inches, 10 or 12 inches. So it's really inexpensive, but I've had it for a while. As you can see, it's pretty matted. I need to get another one. But it's really cute when you first get it, because it's really wavy and you can kind of tease it and make it look nice. But anyway, so I wrapped it around, bobby pinned it in, and then I'm going to spray it with my spray bottle. It has conditioner, water, and like I said, Jamaican Black Castor oil in it. I use this on my daughter's hair as well. And her headband is coming off her head, as you can see. But I just spray it, and then I mold it into the ball, and then I'm going to cover it with a scrunchie to make the actual bun. I bring it all forward, and then that last part I'm going to twist it and just tuck it under and bobby pin it. And when I bobby pin, I'm going to put another scrunchie around there, and then that's it. Bun is in. So I'm going to just make sure it's gelled up pretty good, and then I'm going to tie it down with a scarf for about 5 minutes. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to spray with some holding spray, pink moisture, or whatever you call it, holding spray. I don't have any Got to Be Glue spray right now, which is what I usually would use. So I'm using that, and then I'm going to tie it down. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'm going to show you some pictures of how it turned out that day. I wore my bun.
I love you, slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Back up, they don't love you like I love you. Step down, they don't love you like I love you. Can't you see that?